Hi, I'm Jake Feldman, and I am the production planner for U.S. Cargo Control at Clickstop. Clickstop does a lot of things. They actually own 10 different brands, one of which is U.S. Cargo Control, which is our biggest brand and I work under. And under U.S. Cargo Control, we manufacture and sell moving supplies, flatbed truck products, and rigging and lifting supplies. So as a production planner, I create work orders, prioritize the schedule, and communicate the schedule out. I also collect the data based on that production schedule and use that to drive action for future processes. As an example, I worked with some team members to create a production schedule. We created this from scratch, and it was a tool used so that there was transparency and less confusion around what we're supposed to work on from a day-to-day basis. In 2017, I was able to take a leadership in manufacturing program at Kirkwood, along with a couple of my coworkers. And so for 6 months, we went to classes there, and we worked with manufacturing leaders from around the corridor, and we learned a lot from each other and from the instructors. The most interesting part of my job is the ability to create, because we're so new to the manufacturing game that there's a lot of opportunity to be able to improve processes and really become more efficient. I love the culture the most about this job, working with people from different departments, from different backgrounds, but we all have a common goal, and that's really to take ownership of our own career and our own responsibilities. And by doing that and collaborating well, we accomplish a lot. The most rewarding part of my job is starting a project from scratch and then seeing the fruits of the labor come to fruition. You spend a lot of time on some of these projects, and if you work on it for a couple weeks or a couple months, it can wear you down a little bit, but seeing the payoff from all that hard work is the most rewarding thing. Own your career. There's going to be a lot of people that help you along in your journey, but ultimately it's up to you to drive your career. So be intentional, have fun.